Hello scholars, how are you all? Yes, so we have recalled the whole chapter. We've seen the hard words and the meanings. Now let us move to the short answers. So your first question is, what is force? What is force? When we pull or push an object, it is known as force. Very easy. Then next, we have to name two different kinds of forces. So we have studied about two forces, gravitational force and frictional force. Yes. When is work said to be done? Very easy answer, that whenever we will apply a force and the object will move in the direction of the applied force, then we can say that work is being done. Moving further, what is a machine? A machine is a tool which makes our work easy. Yes. Now, the fifth question. List the different kinds of simple machines. So we have to just write the name of the simple machine, which is the inclined plane, screw, wedge, wheel, lever and pulley. Okay. Now we have to define energy. Again, very easy. The capacity or ability of a body to do a work is known as energy. Moving further to the long question and answers. So first question is, how does force affect a body? So the question is asking you that what will happen when we will apply force? So whenever we will apply force, a body will move a body. Means force can move a body. By applying force, a body can be moved. Or we can stop a moving body, or we can change its direction, or we can change the shape of the body, or we can increase or decrease the speed of the moving body. Very easy answer. Okay, now how does frictional force work? So we have to write down the definition of frictional force. That when two things come in contact with each other, a special force is being generated, and this force is known as the frictional force. Yes. Moving further, here we have to explain the different kinds of machines. So one by one we have to explain. First is about inclined plane. So one sentence about inclined plane you have to write down, that it is a slopey surface in an inclined plane that makes it easy to move heavy objects. Simple. Then you have to write down about screw. That a screw is a simple machine which helps us to join things together. Then about wedge is, a wedge is a simple machine that has at least one slanting surface. Example is knife. Then wheel and axle. Wheel are attached to the vehicles which with the help of a fixed rod, which is the axle. Then we have to write down about lever. That a lever is a rod which helps us to move load by applying less amount of force. And the last simple machine is pulley. A pulley is a wheel with a grooves. So this is a little long answer, but it is very simple. You have to just write down about one line about each simple machine. Okay. Now we have discussed the different forms of energy and explain how one form of energy changes to another. Okay, so first of all, what we will do in this answer? We will have to write down the name of energy. Which are the energy? Mechanical energy, chemical energy, light energy, sound energy, heat energy, electrical energy and magnetic energy. And one example we have to mention, that energy changes from one form to another. In that, simply we have to write down about the example that we have read in our book, that whenever we take in food, it is stored in the form of chemical energy, and when we will do any work, this chemical energy will convert into mechanical energy. Okay. So thank you, students.